I'm going to show you today how to use the digital composition book that you can get for free at Mom Envy. So when you open up your notebook, on the left-hand side, it's going to look like a traditional composition notebook with this schedule on the left side that you can fill out all of your basic info and you can fill in a little bit schedule. This comes in both a Sunday start and a Monday start. Then on the right-hand side, we have our table of contents. On the left-hand side, you will see three little icons. The house will take you back to the cover. So if I click that, we'll go to the cover. The bottom icon will take you to the back inner cover, which has our measurements page and our conversion chart, just like you get in a traditional notebook. Then the middle icon will take you back to our table of contents page. Under our table of contents, each one of these numbers actually takes you to a different section. So when you click the 1, you go to section 1. If you click one of the other numbers, like section 20, it'll take you over to section 20. And so let me show you how this works. So I'm going to get my pen tool, and I'm just going to write section 20 on here so you can see that the pages are hyperlinked to the correct section. So I'm going to go ahead and now go back to my table of contents. And then I'll click on section 20 again, and you will see that what I wrote there on section 20 still is there. And so this just really makes it easy to stay organized inside of your notebook, and honestly makes it so much better than a traditional paper notebook. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at our back inner page. So like we talked about, this is our measurements and conversions chart, just like you have inside of a standard notebook. And then the very back is just a cute back cover that looks just like a traditional notebook. And that's it. It is that easy to navigate your digital composition book. If you have any questions, send me an email and I'd be happy to help you out.